Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from according to your time. I greet you all. How are you guys doing today? Today is Monday. Yes, it's a Monday morning. It's 6:30 a.m. and I'm headed out. I'll be going to Makodi today for my passport. As you guys already know, I've been working towards that, so I'm going this morning, and my sister is accompanying me to Makodi. I'm in Boko right now, but I'll be traveling to Makodi this morning, so I'm going to see you guys when I get there, and I do hope I'm allowed to vlog there because I want to carry you guys along, and I'll see you guys later.
You made a mistake, underestimating what you've taken on. I'm out of the cage, 'cause you opened the door. You're as innocent as gold. 'Cause if you're falling for me, just be one. 'Cause I don't think you're ready for it. I'm not the one to mess around. I don't think you're ready for it. Too many people done wrong. 'Cause I don't think you're ready for it. You best believe that time's up. I'm a murderer. I'm a murderer.
Hello guys, welcome back. So I'm at the immigration office now for the passport, and I've been here since morning, but we've been busy signing forms, doing all the formalities and all, so I haven't had time to talk to you guys. I'm here with my sister Lucy. She accompanied me. I don't like coming to such places alone, so I asked her to accompany me. So I'm done with all the capturing, and the only thing remaining is just for them to issue the passport to me. So I think I'll go and hang out. I'll go and hang around somewhere and then come back later in the evening. So that's what's been happening. At least I'll have my passport ready in a few hours. So those let's go some. Nipa. No. So guys, trying to catch my breath. So guys, I just finished from there and I decided to surprise my friend. So I came to her makeup studio and she doesn't have any single idea I'm around. So let's watch the drama. Eh?
I'm a murderer.
Hello there. Welcome back guys. I'm so sorry. Today is Wednesday. The last time I vlogged was on Monday, and yesterday passed and today is another day. Guys, forget about the last part of my vlog. I actually planned on surprising my friend, but I ended up being surprised.
Oh, no.
I wanted to surprise her at her shop, but she wasn't around, so that's why you can see that door locked. The last door you saw, that was her store door and it was locked, so I ended up being surprised, so it didn't pull through. But from there, I told you guys I wanted to hang around and wait for the passport, so I wanted to hang out at my friend's store, but she wasn't around. So from there I went to my other friend and I went to his house with my younger sister, and that was where we stayed till it was time for me to go back to the immigration office to collect the passport. So that was all that went down that day. So but I didn't vlog about that. We were all exhausted. We were exhausted, and we didn't even have time to, we're gisting seriously, so we didn't have time to, I didn't have time to pick up the camera. But yes guys, I'm back. I went to Makodi for the passport, and I'm back to Boko, Benue State. So the update is I was able to get the passport on Monday evening. As soon as I went back, they were almost done with production, so I was able to collect the passport and I came back to Boku that same evening. So yesterday morning I scanned the passport and made sure it was in order, and when I came back home I uploaded the passport as Google requested, and they told me that I should give them some days to verify my identity. And I was just praying to God. I was like, God, please let this work this time. Let it work this time. Because considering the fact that I've tried uploading 4 good times and it failed. And me uploading my means of identification this time makes it the 5th time. And I just said to God that this has to work. So I waited the whole of yesterday. I didn't get a mail. I kept checking my mail. I kept checking my mail to see if I had a message. When I didn't see any message, I'll go to my Google Adsense account to see if the verification status had changed to successful, but nothing still. They still said my verification is in progress. I should wait a few days. So that was how it happened. And then fast forward to this morning. Today is Wednesday. As a matter of fact, I wanted to post this video today because Wednesdays and Saturdays are the days I upload content. But somehow I couldn't upload any video today because I wanted to complete the vlog. I just had faith that this 5th time it will work, and then it will be a vlog of me going to get my passport and uploading the passport and getting verified. So they just replied me this morning that my identity verification was successful.
All I do is win, no matter
Guys,
what.
my verification is successful. So I was so excited. But it was early, it was in the morning, and I had an engagement today, so I had to rush to go settle that before I do any other thing. So I came back home after I went out in the morning and got busy with other stuff, so I couldn't even film a video. It's past 5 p.m. now, but I said I must film this video today. So guys, that is it. My identity has been verified after the 5th time. Guys, if you haven't watched my video on my failed identity verification, then I'm going to leave the link here so you guys can go watch it. So that's all that went down. So guys, I tried uploading my means of identification 4 good times and it didn't work, and then at the 5th time it was successful. So I am really surprised that they gave 5 chances, because most videos I've watched here on YouTube, they all said that they were given just 3 chances to verify their identity. And I'm surprised that I uploaded 4 times, they declined, and at the 5th time they accepted it. So guys, that's all that happened. Right now my identity has been verified, and from there I'll proceed with the other formalities. So that is all for today. I just want to appreciate all of you guys who kept sending me words of encouragement. To all of you, my sisters and brothers here on YouTube, you guys have been really amazing. Thank you all so much. I was feeling seriously depressed. Like, I just kept thinking, what if this fails again? What am I going to do? Because I just had the feeling that if it still doesn't work at the 5th time, then there will be trouble. But thank God that it didn't fail this time. It was successful. So I just want to say thank you to all of you. You guys have been so supportive and amazing. You guys have been encouraging me, telling me not to worry, that everything will be okay, God is in control. And of course, God took charge and everything went well. So I just want to say thank you to all of you. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Seddiesnowz. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber and I am based in Nigeria. So please subscribe to my channel to watch more content from me. I'm just growing, guys. I'm just growing. I'm just trying to figure out myself here on YouTube. So please, the least I can expect from you guys is your support and your love. Please just try to support me, to encourage me to do better. So if you're watching me for the first time, I highly welcome you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. And to my returning subscribers, to all my friends, you guys are my friends or my family, I want to say thank you to you guys for coming back. God bless you all so much for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate your love and your support. So if you've been watching me and you've not subscribed, please just click that subscribe button down below. And if you love this video, please give me a huge thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section. Please share the video as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.